This is Bozhidara Kiryakova. I work as a section expert in concept development and business continuity management at the Crisis Management and Disaster Response Center of Excellence in Sofia, Bulgaria. And it is my great pleasure to share with you my experience during this week's event on strengthening resilience in the Black Sea region. I am specifically thankful to the event organizers for inviting us to participate in this very insightful event that brings together the international community of experts which are focused on further enhancing the resilience levels and contribute to the resilience building efforts internationally, especially in the alliance, at the alliance level. So I wish all of you a very fruitful collaboration that we have already cemented during this past few days. And sharing best practices is specifically essential for finding the most adequate and efficient way forward to continue enhancing the resilience in our respective organizations. So thank all of you, and I wish you a fruitful work onwards.